how to turn off or on smart notifications on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on smart notifications on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click settings and here we'll find messaging. Click on it, scroll down until you find smart SMS, and here we'll find smart notifications. Then you can turn it off or on easy and quick, and after that just turn it off or on and go back and it will be saved. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.